What's up YouTube? So today I wanted to do like a little siren eye makeup look for obviously the eyes. What am I talking about? But yeah, so I already did my face and it's basically the same look that I did the other day. I can link the video up here somewhere. I literally did the exact same thing. I just changed up the lips. For the lips, obviously I didn't change up the lip liner, which is MAC in Stone, but I did, wait, what the hell? Not this one. I used the lip glow oil from Dior in 001 Pink. Also, this doesn't come in this color, like it like transformed into this color because lip glosses never stay the same. And it is so cold. I don't know about you, but I literally cannot sleep with socks on. But when I tell you my feet were so cold last night, I literally put on fuzzy socks and I slept the whole night with them on. And that's crazy because I literally judge people that sleep with their socks on. Like I'm like, you must be like a serial killer or something, because that's just like how can you even do that? I haven't even taken them off all day. Like I'm embarrassed. Don't say anything, don't judge me. Also, nail check. Sorry, we got so many updates. I couldn't handle the claws. I literally couldn't. I don't know, like I went back to the duckies. I know you guys like to shit on the duckies, but the duckies have my heart, and like these ones are like giving like retro Latina mommy slash mermaid core slash I don't know. I'm obsessed. You can't tell me nothing. Anyways, let's get into the actual makeup. It's pretty simple, kind of. I'm gonna go in with this Nova Beauty palette, and if you watch my videos, you already know I'm gonna choose this color for my transition. You could basically go to the casino and like literally win money if like somebody were to be like, what color would Marina choose for her transition? And you guess this, you would win money, because every time. I don't think I'll ever switch up unless I find something better than this, but so far I haven't. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put this all over my crease and I'm gonna drag it out towards the temples, because siren eyes are super snatched cat eye type of looks. Also, if any of you guys have tried this palette and tried this shade and you do know a dupe for it, please let me know, because obviously I've already hit the pan, so it's not gonna last too much longer. Oh my god, this like hurts my head. I always have to like push it back. Let me zoom you guys up. Sorry, I'm like all over the place today. I just found out I've literally been looking for this brush like this entire time when I was doing my makeup, and I ended up using a different, like my normal angled brush that I use for like eyeliner, and I had to use that, but I literally thought this was gone. I was like, there's no way. I literally checked this entire room, but it turns out it was just behind my mascara this whole time. Anyways, so before I do anything else, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb How Many Carats, and I'm gonna put that on my finger and put it on top of my lid and drag it up to my brow bone. It just adds like a little like razzle dazzle to your eye look, because I feel like siren eyes, like they're not too complicated as far as like the eyeshadow part, but it's like all about the wing and like how you snatch your eyes. I swear to god, it's like they walk around with like steel boots or like heels, or they're like building a house at all times of the day, like literally. So if you hear them, ignore them. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this MAC Brush Black Brush Stroke 24-hour liner. It's literally my favorite of all time. I think I'm gonna have to get a new one of this soon also, because like she's not like drying out, but like, you know what I'm saying. But I'm just gonna make a wing. Just like that. Should I do more? Let's see how the other side turns out. Let's see, let's see. Do they look even? Not really. I think once I put the lashes on, we'll be good. So I'm gonna just leave it at that, because if I do more, I could mess this whole thing up, and I already have my face on, so we cannot afford to do that. I want to see if I have like a white liner, but if not, we might have to use concealer and then like a white powder on top. But let me go check real quick. Hold on. Okay, I literally found this NYX white eyeliner. It's literally never been used before. She's still in the packaging. Let me turn you back up. So for this liner, oh, she's nice and sharp too. Okay, so for this liner, I kind of wanted to do like a white outline and also like a white waterline. But I'm scared that that's gonna make it look more like doll eye. I don't know. We're gonna start with the black first. Alright, so I'm gonna take this angled brush. I'm gonna take this Nova Beauty palette again. And I'm gonna start with this black eyeshadow just because, I don't know, I just can't always commit straight with like a liquid liner because it's like stressful. I don't know. But do whatever's the easiest for you, but this is how I'm gonna do it because... Actually, you know what? First, I think I'm gonna connect this like all the way into my inner corner. Just so that when we do put like the inner wing, it kind of like blends together, especially because we're doing it with powder. Alright, now I'm gonna actually go in with that black shadow and create that inner wing. Alright, and then now I'm gonna go back in with that black liner and just go over like the line that I just made. I'm literally not gonna mess with it any more than that. But now I am gonna go in with this white liner and I'm gonna line underneath the black wing. I did a little some, but it's not really doing what I wanted. I think I would need like a liquid. I wonder what this would look like on my waterline. I'm so scared to do that though. Actually kind of cute. Okay, fine, we'll keep it. It's so weird because like on my hand it's showing up like white, but on my skin it's not doing it. Like on my face. No, it's not what I had planned. I still think it's cute. And then for lashes, I'm not gonna curl them because I'm about to put lashes on, but I am gonna use this Smashbox Super Fan mascara. I'm gonna just do a light coat just so that when I put the lashes on top, it all blends in. Then for lashes, I'm gonna use these, I don't know if you can see them, but like just these same Kiss lashes that I always use. They're the little black dress lashes. And then I'm gonna go in with this Duo Lash Glue. Nah, my neighbors are so crazy for this. I literally can't. And I hate to be like the type of person to complain, but like I swear I'm gonna take like a broom and just start like banging on the fucking ceiling until they fucking get it, because it's just like, it's honestly rude. Like, we're not the only one that lives here. It's not like you live in a house. Like, you live in an apartment and not on the like bottom floor. You live on the top floor. There's somebody that's below you. Like, I don't get it. But I can tell they like don't like me because I swear they be like dogging me every time I see them. And they never say hi. So that's why I haven't said anything. Okay, let me see what I'm doing. Hold on. So for the lashes, I'm gonna keep them more towards like the outer corner than the inner corner because we wanna snatch the eye and drag it out. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why my nose is running. I literally took my allergy medicine, but I heard like somewhere on like a TikTok that if your nose starts running as you like doing your makeup, because I guess this happens to like a lot of people, but I guess like if that happens, it's like a sign that you might be allergic to like one of the makeup products that you're using. So let me find out. Listen, I have so many allergies. If I find out that I'm allergic to makeup, me muero. Me muero. There's no way. I don't know why I just put this mirror away knowing damn well I'm not gonna be able to see shit when I put this on. Alright, so this is literally the reason why I get nervous with black lash glue, because like you literally cannot mess up at all. So I'm gonna try to scratch this off real quick. I tried. I don't want to like take off the whole lash at the same time. My camera is literally overheating right now, but I'm about to put this on my lower lashes. I'm gonna let my camera chill real quick and then I'll come right back. I'm gonna do my hair off camera. BRB. Alright, so I let my camera take a little break. Why does everything look blue? This is the final look. Like, tell me these eyes are everything right now. Yeah. Alright, but that's honestly it for this video. Let me zoom you back out. So I feel like we're hella up close and personal. But that's it for this video. Let me know what you think and let me know if you recreate it. And I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.